Today we learn about different expressions of anger. Let's start. My first expression is that in a floor crap. Crap means not spoken, polite or unfair treatment. For example, someone is always shouting or insulting you continuously and you are angry, then you can say that in a floor crap. Okay? Alright. Now second expression is that I have just about had enough. For example, if someone is always bothering you and you lose your temper, and then you can say that I have just about had enough. Okay. Now third expression is that minds your own business. For example, it means this expression is used to tell someone in rude way that you do not want them to ask about personal or private thing. Okay, for example, someone is interfering in your personal life, then you can say where have you been, mind your own business. Okay, now fourth expression is that cut the crap. It means this expression is used to someone to stop saying that are completely wrong. For example, just cut the crap and tell me what really happened. Okay. Now second use of this expression is that this coffee tastes like crap. I am going to ask for my money back. Okay. Now fifth expression is that pissed off. Pissed off means extremely anger. Okay. For example, if someone is talking in very rudely, and then you can say that I am really pissed off by her attitude. Okay. Now sixth and last expression is that put a sock on it. For example, you are busy in your office work and children make a noise and you are disturbing by noise, then you can say that hey, put a sock on it. Okay, thanks for video. Thanks for watching.